Okay, we've got 2 pre-cooling units running today. So this guy's running down to 25.3 volts. And we've got everything foamed in, styrofoamed in here. And the cooling pipe, a lot of the cold, it's really cold here, extremely cold here. Extremely cold here. Then it starts warming up. And it travels along this pipe. Still quite cold here. It warms up, warms up, warms up. So we've got to insulate this right off. And I've got some insulation material down here. This one here. And we'll insulate this off so we can get that cold air directly. You can see how it's sweating, how cold it is. The cold air directly into the unit. And this is just all wedged in there with foam. So the idea is to get this thing cooled as possible with as many pre-coolers as possible. Electrolux. Okay. So the cold air is coming in. Oh, this is really cold. This is, well, it's really, really cool, but it's not cold yet because we're losing too much coolness out of the pipe. That's really cool. Awesome. So we can close this up. And the deep freeze on this other side here is just running in vain because it's not even hooked up into the cold house yet. So we got to get that fixed up next. And in the interim, we have a bit of a problem. I've got 8 turkeys at home. They're getting too big for the house, so we got to bring them over here. So we're just getting a turkey coop ready. Already got nice grass growing in there. We're gonna have a feast when they get here. We'll put a gate right here. Gate right here, and the turkeys will be all closed in with wire in this whole area here, and they can go up there and eat, and plus the whatever feed we're giving them and fruits. They love fruits, so they're gonna have a blast here in the plantation. And then they go under there at night if it's raining. There's a roof here. You can hide under here. Maybe we make a place they can stand, something they can stand on there, dig part of that out. They can stand easily there and get out of the elements. But they're out of the elements over here too once we get this plastic on the other side of the greenhouse. And let them poop here for a week or two and it'll be a nice and fertile ground for planting. That's the plan anyhow. So it is what it is. And as we get there. And then the secondary part of the plan is we're going to build turkey tractors, and then we're going to just move the turkey tractors on the different grassy parts around the plants here so they can eat the foliage there and the bugs and everything else they find. And turkeys can have a blast out here, I think. Look way over there up on Pepper Hill. Peppers are actually getting blossoms and peppers, the bell peppers. That's it for now.